Good afternoon, good afternoon. Here we are once again. Now, we have been very busy lately.
I had school.
Mia's been in school. Mia's also been doing
Cheerleading.
Mia's been doing cheerleading, but this is our monthly glove box. It's in a different box this time, huh?
Yeah.
We're going to open it, see what's inside, and then we'll talk more about hashtag Mia. Okay, let's rip it open. G-Technic. Are you just ripping everything out? Whoa.
What?
Oh, look. You got a sticker too. So let's start. First off, we got G-Technic. Now, perfect glass is great, but I do not see perfect glass in here, unfortunately. What else do we have? Wait. Oh, so we got panel wipe, so before coating.
Is this supposed to be a spray bottle?
Yeah, but you're not going to spray this one, because this is going to stink.
And it's for adult supervision.
Yeah, this one is definitely adult supervision. Go ahead, smell.
It doesn't smell like.
It stinks. You don't think so?
It's like good.
Oh, okay. Well, this is panel wipe by G-Technic.
June 24th. This is not June 24th.
It's something. It does work, but I'm not a big fan of having to use compounds that require panel wipes. So, it's awesome. Ceramic sealant. This is just a little spray to put on top. It's okay too. You want to smell this one?
Yeah.
Okay. You're not gonna smell anything. Oh, be careful.
It doesn't smell like
Yeah, this is a good little spray though to put on top of your vehicle after like washes. But this is EXO. This is actually really good.
This is a towel.
This is like a top coat.
This is a towel, and it's super fuzzy.
Yeah, that would be like a coating removal towel
Yeah.
after you put on EXO. So EXO will come with gloves because when you do ceramic coatings, you need to have gloves on to protect yourself.
Can I put that?
Sure, go ahead. I do like G-Technic's little finger applicator here. It's very soft, very fuzzy.
I do like it too.
You like it too? And here's the master instruction sheet and all that. But here is your EXO. This is a hydrophobic top coat. Works great, especially when you do like two-part systems and things like that. So G-Technic, EXO, really good.
Look at this glove.
You like the gloves?
I'm wearing a glove.
So, neat little kit from Glove Box with the G-Technic products this month.
Look at this.
What do you think so far? What's your favorite part of the kit this month? Is it the gloves?
Yeah.
What is it? Is it the applicator? Do you like the applicator?
And gloves and this.
Okay, well, let's hear you rate stuff. What do you think of the panel wipe?
It's
Don't spray it. Don't spray it. I have it off. It's going to make a mess and it's going to get all over the carpet. It's not going to be good. But what do you think about this one? A, B, C, D. None of those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? What?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10 for the panel wipe. What about ceramic sealant?
It smells like nothing.
Yeah, but what do you rate it? A 0? A 0 out of 10 for her ceramic sealant. What about EXO? Did you want to smell it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad.
0.
A 0. But it actually works really well. I did spill a little bit on myself, obviously.
I didn't spill any on me.
Ooh.
It spilled on the table. I have to wash it.
You gotta get it off. Yeah.
Gloves for protection. Gloves for protection.
I haven't had to use G-Technic in a while, so
Can you help me?
I think I'm okay on using that. But yeah.
Gloves for protection.
That's what that is.
He's on fire.
Ooh, so strong. No, don't do that. Oh, what? So this is a 0. What did you rate the sticker? Sticker's cool. A 10 out of 10 for the sticker. What about your applicator?
10.
I really do like the applicator. I do love their applicators. What about your gloves? You like these gloves?
These are super.
They're what?
They're super soft.
They're super soft. What about your towel? Do you like your towel?
Yeah.
Where's your towel get?
10.
10 out of 10. So the accessories get more points than the actual products. Mia, what have we been doing lately?
Cheer in school. You are doing work. I do cheer in school.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to post a video every Saturday.
On what channel?
#Mia.
#Mia. That's going to be Mia's new channel following her cheerleader journey. Are you a cheerleader? Yeah, she did really good. We got her measurements for her uniforms and things
I'm
like
a
that.
medium now.
Yeah, you're getting bigger. So Mia's going to get her uniforms. She's going to be practicing. She's going to do really well.
I'm learning how to do these splits.
Yeah. Kindergarten is almost over.
Look how I'm doing these splits.
I see. Mia's going to be graduating kindergarten soon.
Look how I can do middle splits.
And we're going to be going and having a lot of fun doing things this summer. But Mia...
I'm about to be a potato.
And she knocked over the camera because she's so excited.
I'm a potato. I'm a potato. I'm a potato.
But Mia is going to continue her cheerleading journey. She's going to continue her schoolwork. She's also going to continue her detailing education as she has become a member of the International Detailing Association. And then we are going to start working on her certified detailing classes.
I want to be in the class with you.
Oh, you can't take my class.
Why?
Because my classes are so hard.
Can you make a little easy for all?
No, they have to be hard.
Why?
'Cause how are you going to learn if it's easy?
You can always learn if it's easy.
You can always learn if it's easy.
Yeah.
I don't feel like that's a good reward, though, if it's easy.
You can all do the same.
But it's about you.
Huh?
It's about you and you growing and getting bigger. Anyways, we'll talk more about that later. Mia's new channel, #Mia. We're going to get ready to post the first video soon.
Daddy farted!
And from there, please join us on our journey, or her journey. I will not be on that channel. That will be all Mia, and she will be having a great time. Oh, I'm allowed to video camera. So, just so you know, I will just be the camera person. Thank you, as always, for joining us. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we will see you later. Bye.